Welcome back to the lecture series of Python programming. In this session, I'm going to discuss what is Jupyter Notebook. In order to do the programming, we have different platforms in Python. The first one is Python Jupyter Notebook. Another one is called the Interactive Development Environment. We call it as IDLE. And third one is actually Google Colab. So in this session, I'm going to have a brief discussion about Python Jupyter Notebook. Apart from that, I'm going to give the idea about how to do the programming in IDLE as well as Google Colab platform. Moving further, so let's understand something about what is the meaning of Jupyter Notebook, why it is used. Jupyter Notebook, it's an open source web application, and it create and share the computational documents. You can do the coding. Okay, you can run it. If you want, you can save. Also, it's possible to share. The particular platform, that is Python Jupyter Notebook, it supports 40 programming language. You might have heard about the R programming, Scala, etc. Also, the notebook can be shared using the different technique like Dropbox. Another tool is called GitHub. Okay, you might have heard about this. So these are the added advantages of the Jupyter Notebook. Fine. Yeah. Now, if I talk about the Python Jupyter Notebook, there are two major components. The first component is mainly dealing with the web applications. Another one is called like notebook documents. So the notebook documents comprises of the set of lines. You can write so many number of lines. That means representation of contents. As you can see, this is actually the symbol of Jupyter. In order to support the Jupyter, we require just like one of the platform called Anaconda. So that we are going to discuss how to install Jupyter using Anaconda. That we are going to discuss in detail in the forthcoming tutorial. To launch and set up the Jupyter, of course, I already mentioned you, that is Anaconda has to be installed. So how to set up Anaconda, I'm going to deal with in the coming session. So Anaconda is the world most popular data science platform used for machine learning, then predictive analysis, etc. So if you want to go for like artificial intelligence techniques, you should have the Anaconda platform. Also, it support for the machine learning, all the type of new cutting edge technologies. Fine. So the symbol of Anaconda, you can observe. This is actually the symbol of Anaconda. Look at this. The entire programming can be done so by using this combination. In order to support Jupyter, we have to install Anaconda. All right. So this is the way how the symbol of Anaconda look like. So in this session, we discussed about what is the importance of doing the Python programming and where we'll do the Python programming, what are the various platforms which are available. So I just have I just have given a brief introduction about Jupyter Notebook and how to I understand the significance of Jupyter Notebook. In the forthcoming session, I am going to explain how to install the Jupyter Notebook in your gadget, in your system. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Let me know if you are having any queries. Happy learning.